Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can render and export an image from Zbrush. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your finished project. In my case, I'm going to finish up with this one. And now to export it, basically there's two ways. We could click on this menu and then select export, or you can just navigate through the top right corner of your screen and then select the export option. Now, the only thing that you have to do is to select your file name, and then from here, you then have the ability to select different file formats like PLY, STL, which is one of the most popular ones, and OBJ right here. But as a secret, in my case, I'm using FBX right here because it will actually save all of the subtools on our project. So I suggest using FBX. By default, it will be set to OBJ, but that's how you do it. It will then be rendered and exported in your device. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.